back to my channel. So today's video, I am filming my Valentine's makeup look. So it's a flawless makeup look, and I just love this makeup look so much. And don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to see how I created this flawless makeup look, carry on watching the video. Let's get into the video. My glasses off. So I've recently bought this new primer, and it's the Makeup Revolution one, Ultra Face Base Primer, 24-hour makeup protection. That's what it looks like there. And I'm using my little silicone little blender, which I got from eBay. I will try and link all my makeup products in the description below. And it's really nice because it's all jelly, which I like. And you do not need much at all on. And then I just like to put it all over my face because I've still got some left on my sponge, and it makes my face much more better. So that my face looks much more smoother, and it feels so much good as well. So now I'm going to move on to foundation. As you guys know, I always use two foundations and I mix them together. Oh, I can't believe I did that. So I am using my Rimmel London Lasting Finish 25-hour foundation in the shade 201 Classic Beige, and that's what it looks like there. And I'm using my Kiko Milano Neutral 100 foundation, and that's the shade there. So what I always do, I'm going to be putting it on this thing today, and I'm going to be using my foundation brush from Kiko, because I think it's better to blend it with a brush. So I just use 2 squirts, and I just use 1 squirt of my Kiko. A big squirt of it, to be honest. And I just like to mix in with my brush. And then it makes it more shimmery, and that's what you want to go for. Okay, so I've done all my face with foundation now. And what I do like to use is my silicone blender. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm just going to be dabbing it. So then it blends in. Then after I've done all that, I'm going to be using a brush to blend it all in. So I have used that silicone on. Now I'm going to be using a Primark brush, which I'm absolutely loving, and it blends all my makeup in perfect. So I like to do my chin first. My plan for Valentine's Day are just having a hot chocolate, watching a bit of TV, and just enjoy being single. But the worst day for me is Valentine's Day, because you've always got to be on your own and all that kind of stuff. But I promised this year that I would be single, because I don't want no drama or anything like that. Because, you know. So that is done for foundation, and I'm quite proud of my foundation because I really like this foundation. So the next thing I'm going to be using is my concealer. So this is my Collection Concealer, Lasting Perfection. It's in the shade Lemon, and this works so well for my skin because I always get loads of spots on my face, and this works out so well. So I always do a triangle underneath my eyes. Okay, and then I always do little two there because I get spots there a lot, and I do a bit there, bridge of my nose, and then I will just do a bit there because I always get spots all over my face. It's like terrible. So I'm going to be using my sponge, but this sponge, because I really like my beauty blender. And this makes it, you just got to dab it really. My nan the other day, she said, how come you've got permanent mark over your face? I'm like, Nan, it's concealer. But my nan doesn't know, of course, she doesn't know about makeup. And I always use for my nut and my eyes, I always use this to blend it in. Because I like to use that. Shortly I've got my driving lesson, which I'm quite excited about. I'm really excited. So that is my concealer, and I really like my concealer. It blends in so well. It makes it really, really shiny and really nice. So now I'm going to be going on to my contour. So I need to get out my drawer. Sorry guys. I'll just get my drawer. So I've got the NYX contour. So I'm not going to be using a highlighter because I've got a separate highlighter which I'm loving at the moment. So I'm going to be using my... So I'm using my Isabella Scott contour brush, and I'm absolutely loving this at the moment, guys. It's amazing. And then I'm going to be using this. And then I like to put a bit on my nose. Makes it more better. And then I like to do all over my face. It makes my face like more natural looking, if you get what I mean. So now I'm going to go on to highlighter, my favourite highlighter. So I got this highlighter from Clinique, and I'm loving it so much, guys. Look at it though. You can see this in what's in my bag, and it's such a nice colour. So I always put a bit in my nose and a bit there, because it's Valentine. You want your makeup to look more flawless, and that's the kind of look you're going for, which I think is, yeah. So let's do this. So I always do my nose first, and it makes it really shiny. And then we're going to do a bit there and a bit there. And I really, really like this look. So now I'm going to be using one of my small brushes to slightly just blend it in, because I think it's more better if you blend it in. I'll just do it slightly though. And my nose looks really highlighted. Then I like to blend it out. I like to blend it out. So my highlighter is popping, guys. I never used to use highlighter before, but I'm really loving it now. So that is it for highlighter. So next I'm going to go on to my brows. So for my brows, I am using this pencil, which I'm loving at the moment, guys. And it is really good. It's really good. So I'm just going to be doing my eyebrows, because my eyebrows are really, really annoying me at the moment. Yeah, perfect. And let's do up a bit more. Then that one. That's my eyebrows done, and I'm quite loving them. And then I'm just use my brush to slightly blend them in. And my eyebrows look alright, they're really good. So now I'm going to move on to eyeshadow. So I recently got the Soap Does Nails. I'm loving it so much. Oh, here it is. So I will be doing a review about this in a video on YouTube, which will be out very, very soon. And I just love this palette so, so much. When I got in the post, I was like, oh my god, I finally got it. So, because it's Valentine's Day, you want it to be more preppy and more styling. So, I'm going to be using a really nice, this is my favourite colour, by the way, guys. That colour there. And it is really, really gorgeous. So, I'm just going to be using it on my eyes. And I like to go over my eyes as well. So, let's go. So that, guys, it's just my battery went then. And I really like this palette because the shades make your eyes pop out more, and that's what I like. And it is such a soft look. I never thought I'd like these colours, but I really love them. And they make my eyes really Valentine's looking. So that is my eyes done, and I'm quite proud of it. So now I'm going with mascara. So because it is for a Valentine's look, I'm going to go for like really lashes are like whoa. So I am going to be using the Rimmel London Wake Me Up one. And what my plan is to make it more like, yeah. And because my eyelashes are going to go on to my lips now. So I'm going to be using my MAC lip liner in the shade Honey Love, and I really love this. And then I use my Yves Saint Laurent matte stain lipstick, and I'm using my Bourjouns Paris one, which is so nice. So I'm going to go with my lip liner first. Yep. And then I'm going to go with my Yves Saint Laurent. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, guys. I always say that. And then I'm going to be using that to make it more poppy and make it like, yes, I'm ready for Valentine's Day. So this is my makeup look. I'm quite proud of this makeup look, and I really, really like it. End of my video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and this is my flawless Valentine's look. You can basically use it for any kind of day. It just doesn't have to just be for Valentine's Day if you haven't got a date for Valentine's Day. But I hope you enjoyed it, and happy Valentine's Day for Wednesday if you're celebrating it. And I all hope you have a lovely day. And thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next Sunday for a brand new video. Bye!
Who got the power?